So we have a Ninja 2-drawer, and today I'm going to cook chicken legs on this side, and I've already prepared some homemade chips that I froze, and I'm going to put those in this side, and we're going to add some mushrooms to it. So let's get started. So in a bowl I've mixed some oil, some honey. I've got turmeric in this honey, but you can just be plain honey, and a touch of soy sauce. Mix it all together, and then you coat your chicken legs. So here we are, coat both sides already. They're now ready to go into the air fryer. There's the other one already prepared. Right, I'll pop them in there. I've left the draining tray in. Wash my hands so I'm not going to touch anything after the chicken. Pop it in. Okay, it's on already. This is number 1 tray, air fry. I'm on, and I'm going to leave it at 200 degrees. Right, I've been chopping my mushrooms, so they're all ready. And you can use button mushrooms, whatever you want. Dogs get excited in there. Oh, that made a bit of a splash, didn't it? In here, I've added my honey, and I've put a little bit of garlic olive oil, just a dash of soy. And now I'm going to coat the mushrooms. Ready to go in the air fryer in a minute. Okay, so let's take a little look. They've had 10 minutes. Perfect. I'm going to turn them over and turn them down. Is that alright? Smashing. So I'm going to turn the temperature down to 100 and 180. Back in. Off we go. Ta-da! Right, there we are. The honey has made it go a little bit darker than maybe people like, so if you don't want it to look like that, don't put the honey on. They're all cooked, and then I'm going to take the tray out and I'm going to pop my mushrooms in. So all the lovely juices in here, and I'm now going to pop my mushrooms in. I've popped the chicken in the oven, just on low, just to keep it hot. Won't be long, mushrooms don't take long to cook, about 4 minutes. Okay, the chips coming along nicely, need a bit more crunching up I think. So what I'm going to do now is reset this so that it's on the maximum crisp. The only way I'm going to do that is to turn it off and then back on again. So this one, maximum crisp and on, that's 240. Then this one that's got the mushrooms in, the air fryer, but I want the temperature down. So we're off we go again. Just keep an eye on it. There's no exact time, just because your chips might be thicker or your chicken might be a bigger portion. You've just got to judge it. Mo's ever hopeful. Can't get near it.